In this video, we're going to be troubleshooting the Weiser Powerbolt 2 if it's not working properly, okay? So maybe you're trying to use this lock and it keeps beeping and flashing red, or it won't lock or unlock when you enter a code. What you want to do first is to make sure you have fresh batteries installed, okay? So you want to go over to the interior assembly and replace the batteries. Make sure you don't mix old batteries with new ones, okay? Then you want to test the lock. Okay, if the problem persists after replacing the batteries, what you want to do next is to reset and reprogram the lock. So you want to go to the interior assembly. Now remove the battery cover, slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, next you want to get a pin. You want to get a pin or a pen. So there's a pin hole right here and this is the reset hole. Okay, so you want to get this pin inside and press and hold it until you hear 3 short beeps. Okay, so get it in, press and hold it. Okay, keep holding. Okay, once you hear those 3 short beeps, the reset is complete. Okay, the next step is to run the door handing detection. The lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door, okay? So whenever you reset this lock, the first thing you want to do is to run the door handing. So to do this, enter the default master code. Hit the lock and unlock button, okay? And now you want to press 0 and hit this button. Okay, so you can see this bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. Okay, so the door handing process is complete, and what you want to do next is to change the default master code. This code can be used to program your lock, so you need to change it. To change this code, the first step is to enter the code 0000. Hit the lock button, and now you want to press 7 and hit this button. Okay, enter your new master code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is gonna be 335577. Hit this button. Okay, you're gonna hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes here, meaning your new programming code is now active, and that's what you're gonna use for other programming. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to remove the default user code. The default user code can be used to unlock your door, so you need to remove it. Let me show you how it works. Hit this button to lock. Okay, now to unlock, let's try the default user code. 1 2 3 4. Hit this button. Okay, so you can see this code can unlock your door, so you need to remove it. To remove this code, the first step is to enter your master code. Okay, enter your current master code. Hit this button. Okay, and now you want to press 3 and hit this button. Now enter the code you want to remove. So 1 2 3 4. Hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning the code has been removed. Okay, so that's how to remove an existing user code on this lock. Okay, so next you can add user codes. A user code for this lock is the 4 to 10 digit code that you can use to unlock your door from the outside, and this lock allows you to set up to 6 user codes. Okay, so if you want to add a user code, the first step is to enter your master code. Hit the lock button, and now you want to press 1 and hit this button. Now enter your user code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is gonna be 5533. Hit this button. Okay, the code has been added. Let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's enter the new code. Hit this button. Okay, so that's how it works. You can repeat the steps to add more user codes, up to 6 user codes. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.